Yeah.
まあ、クラシックスタイルもあるんですけど、オリジナルスタイル、例えばこの BT のオリジナルスタイル、このだし巻きも、ジャパン日本スタイルの卵焼きをハンバーガー。
Hello. Today I'm on my way to a burger house just around my place, and then I'm really excited to eat in this burger house because this is actually one of my comfort food, and I really like burgers. And this burger house offers really tasty burgers, and I'm going to share them with you, and if you have time, visit the burger house, okay? Hello everyone, this time we're going to speak with the owner of the shop. His name is Rintaro-san, and we're going to ask him some questions about the restaurant. Okay, so hello Mr. Rintaro.
Hi.
Please say hi to our audience.
Hi. Hello everyone.
Okay, so I just have some questions. First question is, how did you come up with the name Border Town?
ここのお店が、ある町が境町って言うんですけど、要は、3つの県の境目にある、ボーダーラインにある町だから、とボーダーにある町でボーダータウン、境界線にある町でボーダータウン。
I see. So there's some connection with the location of here in Sakai Town. I see. So here in Border Town, you are the one who cook, you are the one who take orders, and then you're the one who give the order to the customer. Isn't it difficult?
まあでも最初は大変だったんですけど、今はすごい楽しくやってます。はい。
I think it's really fun. So customers are very nice with you. お客さんは優しいですか？
優しいですね。はい。すごいいいお客さんいっぱいいます。はい。
I see. That's right. Okay, so by the way, what do you think is the difference of Border Town to other burger shop?
なんだろう。まあクラシックスタイルもあるんですけど、もうオリジナルスタイル、例えばこの BT もオリジナルスタイル、このだし巻きも、日本スタイルの卵焼きをハンバーガーでした。
I see. So there's egg here.
やったりとかっていうオリジナルスタイルのハンバーガーが多いのが特徴的です。
So one extra question. Where did you learn how to cook?
ああ、そうだね。5年前ぐらい。
5 years ago,
はい。Yes.
you learned to
Right.
cook. I see. So thank you very much for your
Yeah,
time.
thank
So
you.
please invite our viewers to come to your burger house.
Yeah. 日本語で。
Okay.
みんな、境町来たらハンバーガー食べに来てね。
Okay, so please come to Town. You'll see how delicious their burgers are. I always come here, and whenever I feel down, whenever I feel tired, I go here. This is my comfort food. So I really vouch on this one. Okay, so see you.
Thank you.
I just finished eating and it was really good. I even had my takeout. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Japanese learning content. See you!